Assalamu alaikum students, and this is your third lecture of computer science, week number 2. The topic which we are going to discuss in this lecture is the types of computers. So first of all, I will share the objectives with you people. The objectives of our today's lesson are that students will be able to understand the different types of computers, and at the end they will be able to write the differences between the digital and analog computers as a practice. What is the basis of differentiation of these types of computers? These are on the basis of data representation, input, output, processing. There are three main types of computers. First is digital, second is analog, and the third one is hybrid computers. Now you have to follow the link given below in order to watch the video. After watching this video, the three types of computers will be more clear to you people. Are the digital computers? As their name shows that these computers work with digits. They accept data and represent it in digital or discrete form. It shows the data in the form of binary digits. Binary means 2, and here the binary digits that represent the data in digital computers are 0 and 1. Now, the speed of processing of digital computers is less as compared to analog computers, but the results produced by them are very accurate. The reason why the results are accurate is that these computers take and represent the data in terms of discrete or separate numbers. And these are general purpose computers. They can be used for different purposes like scientific applications, engineering applications, spaceship applications, etc. Is the analog computers. These computers represent and process data in measuring quantities, or you may say that they represent and process data in continuously form. The data in these computers varies continuously. We cannot say there is a specific value of data at a specific instant. Secondly, their speed is much faster as compared to digital computers, but the results are less accurate. The reason being they cannot represent data at a specific interval of time as a specific value, and these are special purpose computers. These are only used for some specified purposes. You can take the example of analog computers like temperature measuring devices, pressure measuring devices. Like temperature and pressure do not have a specific value at a specific instant, so these are analog quantities. Hybrid term basically means a mixture of anything. So hybrid computers are basically the combination of analog and digital computers, and they combine the best characteristics of both analog and digital computers. These are used in scientific applications, spaceship, missile systems, and industrial processes, etc. And a very common example of hybrid computers is a vital sign monitoring unit. This computer is basically used in hospitals to record the heartbeat, respiratory rate, temperature, etc. of the patients. You can see the complete description of this vital sign monitoring unit in the topic given in your book with hybrid computers. So these were the three types of computers on the basis of data representation, input and output. Now, as a practice, you have to list the differences between analog and digital computers in column form. Keep in mind that in the differences question, there should be definition and example. These two differences are must. Other than these, you can write the speed, results, measuring quantities, uses or purposes differences as well. So this is your practice. You have to practice it and take the take the image of your practice and WhatsApp to your specified teacher. The success criteria for our today's lecture was that students will learn about digital, analog and hybrid computers in detail and will write the differences between the digital and analog computers as their practice. You have to also consult your books for the complete detail of these topics, types of computers given in your books. And if there is any difficulty in the lecture, you are free and you are most welcome to ask your teachers at any time.